Whether you're a beginner or have some coding experience, in this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of creating your own website using HTML and CSS. Hi guys, I'm Army. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. For designing this website, I've used HTML and CSS for coding language, and we've obtained the background UI from spline.design website. Alright, it's time to move on to today's tutorial. Okay guys, let's start our website journey with a doc. Then link style files. Okay. In the body, we need a video tag for background. In src, linked your video file, and then we need some attributes for our video tag. We need width 80% and autoplay muted to autoplay the video. Then go to the app.css. For body we need some styles. At first, a background color with 000 tag and margin 0, padding 0, and a font family. I select Wazir font family for this project. Then let's styling video tag, display, block, and margin 130 pixels and auto. Okay, it's good. Autoplay. Okay, now we have a video background for our header. Then we need a UL for our menu in the top of header. So at first we need a UL with menu ID and need 4 LIs. For first one, home, then store. For third one, contact, and for last one, about. Okay guys, and maybe we need another LI for website's logo. We need an image tag here, and then link the logo's address. Now we need width attributes. Maybe 25 pixels is enough. Then coming in styles and copy the menu. For menu tag we need some styles. For example, list style, none, then display, inline, flex, and margin 50 pixels. Okay, good. Maybe we need another div here with container ID and make all of them the child of container. And for container styles, for container we need width 100%. Also, because it's a block element, it's 100% in width, but we just override it, and we need height 650 pixel, position relative, z index 100, and top minus 100%, and from left 0. Okay, good. We can set by a border, for example 1 pixel solid sharp FFF. Okay, good, we don't need it. Let's go for another LIs. So for menu LIs we need some styles. For example, margin 10 pixel from top and bottom and 50 pixel from left and right. Then color sharp FFF and a cursor pointer. Also we need a transition too. For example, 1 second, because we want to make a hover for LI and letter spacing, for example 1 pixel. And let's make a class for the selected LI. And for menu LI by select by cell class, we need another style, color sharp 0 D0FF, and make it important to make sure it's playing your browser. Important. Okay, good, cool. Now let's go to index.html and we need another li, and in span we need sign up text, and for this li we need an id2, for example sign. Coming in app.css, for sign we need some styles. At first we need margin left 810 pixel and make it as important. Then we need a border 1 pixel solid sharp FFF and a border radius 2. Okay, we need 35 pixel border radius and line height 50 pixel. Okay, good. Let's go for span of sign. Okay, the span just need a padding maybe 5 pixel from top and bottom and 20 pixel from left and right is good. Okay, just increase 20 to 2 to 20. Okay, now let's go for index.html, and in our index file we need a H1 for title, and maybe your title text. Okay, and a P for paragraph with ID paragraph or caption. And here we need a paragraph, for example lorem 20, and we need another tag here for more btn, more, and make an ID for this paragraph. Maybe more is good, or see more. Okay, let's go to the styles, and for H1 we need 50 pixel font size, and color sharp FFF, and a margin 100 pixel from top, 0 from right, 0 from bottom, and 100 pixel from left. Okay, and for caption we need color sharp FFF as the same as H1, and width maybe 30%, and margin 0 100 pixel. Okay, but I want a darker color like D8 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 to make focus to title. It's a UI trick, and then go for more btn with more tag, and make color as a different color like 00D0FF, and it need margin 10 pixel from top, 0 and 100 pixel from left, and cursor pointer, and also need a transition 1 second because it have hover and letter spacing for hover with 1 pixel. Okay, good. Now let's go for the last section of this design. We need another UL for our social icons. Okay, we need 4 LIs here, and for every LI we need a image tag. For the first one, select instagram.png. For second one, select linkedin.png, and for third one we need Facebook, and for the last one I want to select twitter.png. Okay, now let's go for app.css because we're done in our HTML file. Okay guys, now for social we need some styles like margin 30 pixel from top, 0 and 1260 pixel from left, just it. And for social li we need transform scale to make it a little bit smaller, for example 0.8, and a transition, maybe 2 seconds or 1 second. Yes, and cursor pointer. And for social, li hover, we need margin right